Hello?
Ya, Cik.
Hello?
Ya, Cik.
Can you help me?
Ya, ada apa yang boleh saya bantu?
Okay, can you help me?
Ya.
Can what are you speaking what? Can you speak English?
Yes.
Okay, I'm customer Celcom from 2 years ago.
Ya.
Okay, and today don't laugh. I'm serious man.
Aha.
Alright. Today I want to you help me.
Aha.
Okay. I want to you help me. Alright.
Ya.
Okay, my name is Mr. Konalepe.
Mister?
Konalepe.
Kuala Lumpur?
Konalepe. Don't play with my name.
Can you spell for me?
Okay, Mr. Konalepe.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you say my name.
Mister Kuala Lumpur?
Yeah, that's true. It's good. Glad to hear that. Okay, now I want you to help me.
Okay, what you
Okay.
want to...
I want to ask you, why is my top up always go?
Your top up. Okay, can
My
I
top up
have
always go.
Okay, can I have your number, please?
My number
Yeah.
011
011
1
1
9999
999.
9 4 time.
Yeah?
9 4 time.
I can hear.
Okay.
0111
My
999.
9 9999 4 time. You know.
4 times.
Yeah.
Then
And then 5
5
8 5
8
8
5.
8 8.
Okay, I repeat.
Alright.
0111 9999
Ah.
585.
Yeah.
Okay, you use the prepaid, right?
No, I use Celcom.
I know.
I use top up. I use top up.
Yeah, okay. Can you hold on the phone? I will
Oh, no. Now, I want you to help me. I want you just tell me why is my top up always go. Okay, sir, sis. For example, yesterday I top up 10 ringgit. And today I check it out, my top up go. 5 ringgit go. And only 5 ringgit only. So I don't know why is my top up 5 ringgit go.
Are you use the data for the internet?
Data always I use.
Okay, are you subscribe the
Ayu.
mobile plan?
Who is Ayu? My name is Mr. Konalepe.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Okay, mister.
Huh?
Are you subscribe the mobile internet for the data?
No, I do not subscribe.
Okay, if you don't subscribe, recharge you pay per use.
Oh, that's really?
Yeah. Yeah, you must subscribe for mobile plan for you use the internet.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and one more thing.
Okay. One, wait.
Okay.
Hold on. You
Yeah.
wait. Kod mana dalam bahasa Inggeris apa? Kod mana? Sis.
Yes.
Okay, listen this. Follow where? I want you to help me to teach me how to subscribe mobile internet. That's I mean lah.
Okay.
You know,
Star 118,
sis, don't laugh. I'm not joking.
I don't love Mister.
Mr. What?
Okay.
Mr. Konalepe.
Mister, you type the broadband.
Type.
Yeah, you go to the message
And then
and then you type broadband.
broadband.
Yeah, all capital letters.
Alright.
Broadband.
And then send to who?
Wait, you type broadband.
Okay, I know that.
Daily or weekly, and then you send to 22882.
Okay. Okay, Encik siapa nama?
Saya ni.
Anis. Okay, macam yang saya nak cakap. Okay, tadi tu memang masalah saya. Selain tu saya nak cakap, Encik ni sekarang ni sudah terkena panggilan hangit. daripada Musa FM. Bukan apa, sebab ramai orang cakap operator Celcom tak buat kerja. Tapi malam ni terbukti Encik Anis membuktikan bahawasanya Celcom amat profesional. So saya ucapkan tahniah.
Ya, sama-sama.
Tapi satu lagi nak tanya, yang send broadband tu send to what number?
28882.
28882.
Ya, Cik Mani.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Miss Anis.
Okay,
Can
thank
you?
for calling.
I want you that is very good. I'm glad to hear that.
Okay, thank you for calling Celcom customer service.
Can you say this one word?
Yeah?
Can you say this one word?
What word?
Abang Musa? Can you say, please help me?
I'm sorry, mister. If that is not related to Celcom.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Miss.
I just help you if you
Okay.
on Celcom only.
Just now I have problem and then you settle my problem, so I wish you to thank you very much. Ike puyu Pak Samas. Okay, thank you very much.
Welcome, sir. Okay, thank you for calling Celcom customer service.
Okay, thank you. Sayang Celcom.